In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Shopify theme code using the Rewind app. This process is incredibly useful if you've made changes to your theme and need to roll back to a previous version, or if you're troubleshooting issues caused by code alterations. So, let's dive right in and guide you step by step through this process. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and that you're starting from the Shopify homepage. What you'll want to do first is utilize the search function. Simply click on the search bar located at the top of your Shopify admin dashboard and type in Rewind Backups. Once you've entered that, you'll see Rewind Backups appear in the search results. Click on it to proceed. Now, it's important to note that Rewind is an app that requires a subscription. However, if you're new to Rewind, they do offer a free trial, which you can take advantage of before committing fully. Assuming that you have already installed Rewind, in this example, let's move ahead to the next steps. From the Rewind homepage, navigate to the View All Items section. Here, you'll see a list of themes associated with your store. You need to find the specific theme that you want to reset. In this example, let's say your selected theme is Dawn. Click on Dawn to continue. Once you've selected Dawn, you'll be taken to a new page where you'll want to click on View Versions. On the Versions page, there is an option labeled Source Code, which you should click. This step is critical as it allows you to select from different versions of your theme's code. Now, find and click on Select Version. It will show a list of previous versions associated with your theme. Take a moment to identify the version you currently have installed but want to restore from. After clicking on your desired version, you've got to select Restore to this version. This will initiate the restoration process to the version you've selected. Don't worry, you'll be prompted with a confirmation before proceeding. Click OK to confirm that you wish to restore your theme to this previous state. And that's it. You've now successfully reset your Shopify theme code using Rewind. With your theme now back to a previous version, you can verify the restoration by checking your online store and ensuring everything is back in order. This procedure can be a lifesaver and helps maintain consistency across your store by allowing you to undo unintended changes or errors. Thanks for following along, and I hope your Shopify store continues to run smoothly. Feel free to return to this video whenever you need a refresher on resetting your theme code. Happy selling!